how to find witch huts in Minecraft. So most of the time, you could just simply find them on swamp biomes. So the only way to find them is just going through it. If you don't want to use cheats, you just simply need to explore some swamp biomes till you find the swamp hut, and you will find the witch right there. But if you want to use cheats and it's not a big deal for you, you simply need to click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that the lag commands is turned on, and just simply click on start land world. So once that's done, what you want to do is open up the command line by clicking on letter T on your keyboard, then type in slash locate structure, then hut, swamp hut, just like so. Then you simply click on enter. Once that's done, this will show you the coordinates of the swamp hut. You simply need to click on it, or you could just type it in slash TP at S, then the coordinates, then click on enter. Once that's done, it will be automatically teleported here on the swamp hut, and inside of it, you will see the witch right there, and it also has a cat, and that's how you basically find witch huts in Minecraft.